everyone, welcome to Pratha. This is Kavita Koparkar. This is our Navratri series and we are showing saris in 9 different colors this Navratri. So today's color is green and we are going to show beautiful green colored saris. We are sticking to emerald green, dark green colors. We are trying to show you different shades in emerald green as well. So we are here at the store and the store has a lot of rush today. So please excuse if there are some noises in the background, which is a good problem for us. So yes, starting with this beautiful Kanjivaram sari that I'm wearing. It's a very pretty pure silk handloom Kanjivaram, very authentic to South Indian culture. Both the colors are nice. It is a deep emerald green with this beautiful magenta colored border. If you see closely, the borders on both the sides are not too broad, right? So for those who think that Kanjivarams have too much of heavy borders and those who don't want to wear broad bordered saris, then this is a perfect Kanjivaram for you. Just look at how nicely it gets draped. It's light and weight, it's not too heavy, and this is the very richly woven pallu. It has a beautiful bright pink colored pallu and this deep magenta border, and the blouse will come in this same bright pink contrast color. So yes, this is our first saree. If you like it, please go ahead, take a screenshot, send it to our team on WhatsApp. We have two green sarees on the background, so I'm going to show them to you first, starting with this very pretty deep bottle green color. It's a beautiful shade of green. It is, if you ask me, it is emerald green with a little bit of black mixed in it. And the unique part about this handloom paitani is that it has a very beautiful silver zari all throughout. The silver color of this zari is also unique. It is slightly goldenish silver, which makes it very nicely complementing to this otherwise deep green colored sari. This is Kalanjali Butta. So if you see, the Butta is very nicely closely woven to the innermost part of the sari. Okay, let me show you the pallu of this sari. It's a very beautiful Maharani pallu. Okay, so this is a Kalanjali paitani with in single color, single bottle green color with a beautiful Maharani pallu and silver zari. So I hope you like this sari. If you like it, just take a screenshot. Just show them the sari in this screen and take a screenshot of this one. You can connect with our WhatsApp team, ask them about the price, about the information about this sari. Also, if you want to see this sari on a video call, you can schedule a video call session with our WhatsApp team. They can send you more photos, videos if you want, and make your shopping experience as pleasant as possible. Moving on to this other sari here, this is a very pretty handloom cotton paitani. It's a very pure, beautiful material, very comfortable and soothing in its drape. It has a traditional narai border with this lovely delicate butta, and I want to show you all the pallu. It has this beautiful traditional tissue pallu. This is a Yevla paitani. It comes in, we have many colors in cotton paitanis, and if you have a traditional occasion to attend and if you want to wear a sari but you don't want to wear the heavy silk saris, then cotton paitanis is a very nice option. So yes, moving on to the saris that I want to show today, starting with this absolutely beautiful warm green colored Kalanjali Butta paitani in a single green. It's a very pretty color. It's a fresh shade. It's a warm shade of green. And if you see, the borders are also very delicate, not too heavy. The butta is delicate. It is, if you see, it is closely woven till the innermost side of the sari. So yes, this is it. This is the gorgeous pallu. If you like this one, please go ahead, take a screenshot. If you want, you can choose to wear a contrast blouse with this sari because it is a single colored paitani, but it is totally up to you. If you like it, please go ahead, take a screenshot and send it to our team on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next is this very pretty soft silk. This is from our handloom soft silk collection. Pratha has a beautiful collection of soft silks. Soft silks are one of our best sellers in all our exhibitions. So yes, this is it. It has this lovely contemporary butta. It does not have the traditional borders. Soft silks get draped very nicely. They are very light in weight and they look very classy. So if you have a corporate event, or if you want to perform on stage, if you want to attend a function wherein you don't want to look too traditionally dressed up but you want to wear a silk saree, then this is a perfect drape for you. So yes, this is it, a single colored soft silk. If you like this one, go ahead, take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. Now the next one is one of my latest favorites. This is a very beautiful pure Katan silk handloom sari. A very beautiful one, and just look at the border of this sari. It has this very pretty delicate scallop style border, but it's very different. We also have, I think, a purple color in this particular sari. Let me show you the butta of this sari. So this is a handloom Katan silk with power loom butta on it. We at Pratha try to be as transparent as possible in terms of giving out information about our sarees. So wherever there is power loom butta, we tell you. Wherever the silk is blended silk, we try and tell you. We try to keep it as honest and transparent as possible in terms of the information of the saree. So this saree is priced at 10,700. It's a very reasonable price. So yes, this is it. If you like it, please go ahead, take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. Let's move to the last saree of this video, and it's a very beautiful grand Gadwal single colored beautiful shade of green. This is a pure silk handloom Gadwal. Again, one of my favorites when it comes to Gadwals are single colored elaborate bordered Gadwals with meenakari on them. This is one of the oldest border styles in Gadwal sarees. Now this particular saree, if you look closely, has golden as well as silver butta all throughout. This is how the borders will look together if you decide to pleat the saree up, pleat the pallu. So yes, this is it, and this is the gorgeous pallu. It's a beautiful pallu design. If you like this saree, please take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. So yes, this was our assorted green colored sarees collection. I hope you all enjoyed watching. We have a huge collection of green sarees. If you come to our store, please do visit our store here in Pune. We have a very pretty store here. The experience in our store is also different than the usual saree shops that you get because the collection is handpicked. Each and every saree is tastefully handpicked by me. We have a huge collection right from Paithani, Banarasi, Kanjivaram, Gadwals, Ikats, Irkals, soft silks, tussars, raw silks. We also have casual sarees, office wear sarees like linens, Bengal tussars. We have silk cottons, we have silk cotton ikats. A huge collection of gifting range sarees as well in power loom, and we also have a small cocktail sarees collection which are designer wear sarees or sarees which you would want to wear for some kind of a party or western wear event. So yes, this is about Pratha and its stores. We are soon opening a store in Thane at Ram Maruti Road. We'll be updating you soon. Thank you. Stay tuned.